Yo, what's up everyone? It's Connect here, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. And today we're diving deep into something crucial in the digital age: protecting your social media. Hackers target social media accounts for several reasons. Personal data. Your profile contains sensitive information like your email, phone number, and even your location. Financial gain. Hackers can scam your friends or sell your account on the dark web. Brand impersonation. If you're a business owner or influencer, hackers can use your account to spread malware or damage your reputation. The consequences of a hacked account can be devastating, but with the right precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk. We're talking Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those platforms where you're sharing your life, your thoughts, and let's be real, a good chunk of your personal info. With billions of us scrolling every day, these platforms are prime targets for hackers looking to make a quick buck or wreak havoc. But don't trip. In this video, I'm breaking down practical steps you can take right now to lock down your accounts and keep your online life safe. So, hit that subscribe button, grab your device, and let's get into it. First up, we're tackling two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. Think of this as your digital bodyguard, that extra layer of security standing between your account and anyone trying to get in uninvited. With 2FA enabled, even if someone gets hold of your password, they still need a second form of verification to access your account. This usually comes as a code sent to your phone or email. Trust me, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Plus, setting it up is a breeze. How to enable 2FA: Facebook, go to Settings, Security and Login, two-factor authentication, Instagram, navigate to Settings, Security, two-factor authentication, Twitter, visit Settings and Privacy, Security and Account Access, two-factor authentication. Pro tip: use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy instead of SMS for added security. All right, let's talk passwords. Weak passwords are like open invitations for hackers. They're practically begging to get in. Here's the blueprint for a Fort Knox level password. Mix it up with uppercase and lowercase letters, throw in some numbers and symbols, and aim for at least 12 characters. And here's a pro tip. Don't even try to remember all those complex passwords. Use a password manager. Apps like LastPass or 1Password are lifesavers. They generate and store all your passwords securely, so you only need to remember one master password. Ever notice how you can log into some apps and websites using your Facebook or Google account? Super convenient, right? Well, here's the catch. Every time you do that, you're giving that third-party app access to some of your social media data. Head into your settings on each platform and see which apps have access. If you see anything you don't recognize or no longer use, revoke those permissions ASAP. Be mindful of what you're sharing, because once it's out there, it's out there. How to review app permissions: Facebook, go to Settings, Apps and Websites, Instagram, navigate to Settings, Security, Apps and Websites, Twitter, visit Settings and Privacy, Security and Account Access, Apps and Sessions. Spotting suspicious activity: don't ignore the red flags. Let's talk about those moments when something just feels off. Maybe it's a weird post you don't remember making, a login attempt from a strange location, or changes to your profile you didn't authorize. If you notice any suspicious activity, act fast. First things first, change your password immediately. Next, log out of all active sessions, and finally report the issue to the platform's support team. Software updates: stay ahead of the hackers. Keeping your apps, devices and browsers up to date is crucial for staying one step ahead of those pesky hackers. Every software update comes with security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. The good news is that most devices and apps have automatic updates these days. Do yourself a favor and make sure they're turned on. Phishing scams. Don't take the bait. Let's talk phishing scams, one of the oldest tricks in the hacker playbook. These are those sneaky emails or messages designed to trick you into giving up your login credentials. Legitimate companies will never ask for your password or personal information via email. If you get an email that seems even remotely fishy, don't click on anything. Instead, go directly to the company's website or contact their customer support to verify its authenticity. Consider using a browser extension like PhishTank to help detect and block known phishing websites. Regular checkups. Make security a habit. Make it a habit to give your social media accounts a quick checkup every now and then. Review your privacy settings, double-check those app permissions, and make sure you're still rocking a strong password. It only takes a few minutes, and it could save you a whole lot of trouble down the line. Outro: stay safe, stay secure. So there you have it, folks. A crash course in social media security, MKBHD style. By taking these simple steps, you're building a digital fortress around your information. Remember, your online security is in your hands. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and keep those accounts locked down tight. Peace.